In this video, I'll explain how to use might, have, and then the main verb is in the form of a past participle to talk about past possibility. If you take the verb do, for instance, might have done. This is the past participle for do. Or if the main verb is be, the past participle is been. Might have been. If the main verb is have, the past participle for have is had. Might have had. I might have lost my ticket. Might have, and then the main verb is lose. This is the past participle. I don't know if I lost my ticket. There's a possibility I lost it. I might have lost my ticket, but I don't know for sure. A person who is sick or has stomach problems might have eaten something bad. She might have eaten, this is the past participle for eat, something bad. But we don't know. You might have used the wrong password. This is a possible explanation for why you can't access your account. You might have used the wrong password, but you don't know. Who did it? In answering this question, you can simply write he might have, and then the main verb goes here. In this case, we're using the verb do. This is the past tense. In this part here, this is in the form of the past participle. He might have done it. But we don't know. I might have done it. You might have done it. He might have done it. She might have done it. They might have done it. This question is in the past tense using the verb be. Was she there? She might have been there, but we don't know. This verb choice is based on the use of this verb. Both of these are the verb be. "10 degrees below zero today, and I'm still able to dry my clothes outside." Why didn't she answer her phone? In the response, this is negative. To use the negative, put not after might. She might not have heard it. Why didn't she answer her phone? She might not have heard it. In the negative, the word not is often emphasized. You can use might, have, and then the past participle in past conditional sentences. It might have been faster if we had driven. This part is in the past perfect tense, and the entire sentence is in the form of a past conditional sentence. So if this happened, this might have happened, but we don't know. This is all speculation. He might have gotten hurt. This verb phrase has 4 verbs. It's in the passive voice. Might, have, and then instead of using the verb be, this is the verb get in the form of a past participle. You could also use been, although this is very frequently used. You might have gotten hurt, and then this is the main verb. Or you might have been hurt.